Hi, good morning, all. This is SK. I hope you all did good yesterday, ending up in green, and we had the Fed meeting as well. Okay, let's see what's going on with the S&P. I have been mentioning in my Twitter account that I will be buying some puts. The main reason of buying the puts are, if you see, we are entering into a trading range, and what kind of a probability or possibility is that we just gonna go without a pullback this all rally, we are just see, what are the probabilities that we're not gonna get any pullback, and we're gonna just go beyond this level, beyond this resistance, and go way far. For me, there is not a possibility, but in a stock market you can't say there is no possibility. Anything can happen, but I think we are getting a pullback very soon, and pullback can be a deeper pullback. As you can see the amount of rally we have, at least the pullback will be coming very soon, about this area. So we can scale in some puts, and then we can get a trading range or a little pullback, which can be about. So these are the price range, let me take this out. These are the price ranges which I'm looking the pullback to come at. It can be about where we had the breakout pullback and then this thing, but this pullback is just for the next rally. But the majority of this thing is not showing any pullback. So we can get a pullback to 205, we can get a pullback to 204. 204 would be the red line for us. It shouldn't go below that. If it went below that, then the next stop, the next entry, the next base will be about 196, which is not looking too realistic as of now. So I think pullback is coming very soon, so buying some puts makes sense to me. But this is not the advice or recommendation to buy or sell. This is just my opinion. This is what I might do. I have not done yet. I might do. Let's see what we have today. Let's see what we have tomorrow. 2 days in a week, 2 days in a month. It's this thing today and tomorrow can give us that kind of an opportunity that we are high off a trading range, that in few days we can make good money. Like I mentioned the other day, AGN. I bought some calls here, about this area. I was buying and selling, coming in and going, coming in and going. If I would have just hold it, I think we are about at back in the range for 333, I believe. That's where 332. That's where we are. $100 in what? In about 10 days. $100 gain. This is all the price action. Like there was a support here, and about this area it was poking again and again. This was the second attempt. This was the second attempt from the bears, but every time it came, the bulls gave a big tail. Bulls gave a big tail, and there we go. That's what we saw. That's what we have. Same in IBB. Same in IBB. This was very predictable. There was, again, the predictability is about the probability, not about the confirmation that that's what's gonna happen. Risk is always there, but the calculated risk. If I get wrong trades. Hell yeah, every time, I get so many wrong trades. But the risk is, I try to buy at a great risk reward ratio where my stop loss is just there. So this thing, you can see it was making higher highs, and the sport was here, this thing here and this thing here made a double top, a double bottom, and then we saw this. It's all pure price action. I didn't have no indicators, no moving averages, who is buying, who is selling, whatnot. Because ETFs, BOP doesn't, BOP, which I mostly use for my stocks. In ETFs, BOP does not work. BOP only work with certain stocks, certain volume stocks. Over here, only in ETFs. For me, it's truly price action, support, and resistance. Nothing else. I do not look for anything else. Right now I'm looking at WDR. I'm invested. I might be invested in that. and there is a guy which is not doing as good, but I am invested in at CP as well, and I am invested in CVS. I'm playing the earning on it, like, because you see yesterday also we poked, so I'm playing the earning on it, like, let's see if the earning can give take us back here. I'm not gonna hesitate to sell any day if I'm in a profit. I mean, like, if I'm in a profit, I most of the time take my profit, So this is what I'm looking as of now. So let's see what we have further. What we have. This can be risky trade. We can come back to 94 if the earning miss. But I mean, like, maybe my profit I have made. I'm comfortable with that. Like, but the earnings, keeping stocks before earnings, keeping options before earnings can be very, very risky. So let's see how I'm gonna take my trade today on S&P. I think this was a good bull. This is a good bull bar. We can see a follow through. We are pre-market. We're a little bit down. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Pre-market we are a little bit down, but I think, like, at the open we might can see a little bit of a sell-off, and then we can bounce back. This is the support we are having from our 5-minute chart, and like, this is a very good support. We can see the pullback, but today also there can be, or what we can see a couple of hours of buying, and then we can see the sell-off. So it's not decided yet how I will be taking my day today, how the day gonna happen. But first 10 to 15 or 30 minutes, I mean, like, can decide a lot for us. Like, just see yesterday what happened. Yesterday we have this kind of a sell-off. From this sell-off, like, a couple of bars of the sell-off, buyers came in, and buyers it was a confirmed trend. It was a confirmed trend. There was a lot of money to be made. I was not that active here, but last hour I did so well that I don't know how to even thank God. Like, that He gave this stock market in my life where I can teach, and where I can make so much money. I mean, there is no limit how much we can make, and there is no limit how much we can lose as well, because uh, uh, we need to know what we're doing. Over here, if you see my IBB entry, if you see my AGN entry, it was very similar here as well. Like, I was seeing these tails. I saw one of my friend, one of the co-trader friends at the block side. He was at the opposite side of the game altogether. But it was making double bottom, and this was the low of the day. In this candle, I mentioned that we can go about 130ish, because like, when the stock is so volatile, we need to give little bit of the space. We need to give little bit of the breathing space for the stock to adjust the price and then bounce back. I gave about 30-40 cents. It went up to one, I think 206 tonish. It went up to here. So like, from here, and the second time it came, I bought it. I scalped out. I bought it here. I scalped out. Again it came down. I bought it here again. Cause when I bought it here, my stop loss was just what, 30 cents. 3 point on E-mini. That's fine. I was trading small. I was trading small. So, and I had made so much money here that I could have risked that kind of a money. So I mean, I was out here, but whoever would have hold this guy here, I mean, they would have made tons of money. I mean, like, what? Wow, 28 points on E-mini. That's good. Like, I didn't trade it. I was so tired. I mean, and after you get tired, I mean, like, after I get tired, I don't see the charts right. So like, I don't want to give my money back to the market what I have earned. So it was a very blessed day for me yesterday. Like, I really did very, very good. I hope other of my co-traders as well did very good. So how would I be taking my day? Overall, bigger picture, I'm bearish. I'm planning to buy some puts, But as of today, as a day trading, I'm gonna let the market settle for first few minutes. My target points are, pre-market support, which is about 207. I would see if we poke through 207 8 this price, we can go back here or here. If we poke, when I say poke, 20-30 cents doesn't matter. We'll see the tail, if the tails are coming or not. Tails means there are still some buyers over there, and they want the price to go higher. So we'll see this price, and the resistance is this. Maybe a few guys who bought it yesterday here, they might be thinking that overnight the futures or the day gonna open more higher. They're holding a losing position now, so they would like to cover their positions. We can see some kind of a pullback at 209ish. So like it can be it can be another trading day price action today, but it's very difficult to say anything. We're at the high of the trading range. Most of the blue chip stocks are overbought. They are at the high of the range. Pullback is coming. A good calculated pullback is coming because of the daily chart. If you see, because of the daily chart, this was very climatic. Like, so pullback is coming. Like here. Let's see. Okay, it's just, I mean, I'm thinking pullback is coming. We are about this price range over here right now. So we can see a couple of legs up and then a deeper pullback. Deeper pullback, when I say, let's go to the monthly candle. Let's go to the monthly candle. And in a monthly candle, if you see, let me just take this. This is how I'm looking the chart at. Like, I will be looking anywhere, like, I'm not sure if that's the 50% pullback or not. Okay. We can see somewhere around 200ish, that is the 50% pullback from the monthly candle. We can see this kind of a pullback as well. So, bigger picture, I'll be buying some puts. Smaller 5-minute chart, I'll decide in 30 to 40 minutes, and I'll mention on my Twitter account what I feel about the market. I hope this video makes some meaning to you guys, and good luck everybody, and congrats whoever hold AGN and IBB this long. I was long on Amazon. I shared with one of my friends, Scott, that I'm long on Amazon. So I did good yesterday on Amazon. So I bought some calls at 600 and I sold it yesterday. So it was good. It was very good for me. Good luck everybody. I'll see you on my Twitter account. Bye bye.